What are smart plugs?
Smart plugs are compact adapters that connect to your standard wall outlet. By plugging an ordinary appliance like a lamp, fan, or coffee maker into a smart plug, you give it connectivity. This lets you control or schedule your devices using a smartphone, voice assistant, or routine, making even older appliances easy to automate and manage remotely.
How do smart plugs work?
Smart plugs connect to your home Wi-Fi network and interact with an app on your phone. You simply plug your appliance into the smart plug and the plug into the wall. The plug acts as a switch that you control remotely, turning power on or off depending on your needs, scheduled routines, or voice commands.
Setting up a DIY smart plug.
Getting started is simple. Plug the smart adapter into an outlet and follow the app's instructions. The app will guide you to connect the plug to your Wi-Fi. Once set up, you can name the plug for easy identification. For example, living room lamp. You can now control your appliance anytime from anywhere through your smartphone app.
Automating and scheduling appliances.
Smart plugs offer built-in features for automating your home. You can set schedules like having your coffee maker turn on every morning or your outdoor lights turn off at sunrise. Advanced settings let you use routines or integrate with platforms like Alexa or Google Assistant for voice control and more complex automation.
Benefits and considerations.
Using smart plugs can increase convenience, energy savings, and home security. You can monitor power usage, check if devices are left on, and control lights when you're away to deter intruders. Just keep in mind, only appliances that have a physical on-off switch and remain on when plugged in can be fully automated with a smart plug.